Mnangagwa Thrashes VP Chiwenga, the 19th of October 2025, spread the love. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has once again outmaneuvered his deputy, Constantino Chiwenga, after the ruling ZANU-PF's annual People's Conference in Mutare overwhelmingly endorsed a proposal to extend Mnangagwa's rule beyond 2028. The development, seen as a major political blow to Chiwenga's long-held presidential ambitions, effectively cements Mnangagwa's dominance within the ruling party. The Mutare Conference resolutions indicate that the president's loyalists are now determined to push for constitutional amendments that will allow him to remain in power until at least 2030. Government spokesperson Nick Mangwana confirmed the resolutions on X, formerly Twitter, posting. Mangwana added that both the War Veterans League and Women's League had backed the proposal, praising Mnangagwa's visionary leadership and calling for immediate legal steps to formalize the extension. Chiwenga's presidential dream fades. Political analysts say the move widens the gulf between Mnangagwa and his deputy, who has quietly harbored ambitions to succeed him since the 2017 military coup that brought Mnangagwa to power. Chiwenga, the former commander of the defense forces who led Operation Restore Legacy, was widely believed to have struck a gentleman's agreement with Mnangagwa that he would serve one term before handing over power. However, since taking office, Mnangagwa has consolidated control over both the party and the state, systematically sidelining Chiwenga and purging key military allies. Over recent years, Mnangagwa has reshuffled or retired several senior officers linked to Chiwenga, tightened his grip over the ZANU-PF Politburo, and courted war veterans and provincial leaders, ensuring loyalty ahead of any internal power struggle. Political observers say the Mutare resolutions mark the clearest signal, yet that Mnangagwa plans to extend his rule, regardless of growing discontent among sections of the military and the party who still see Chiwenga as the rightful heir to the presidency. This is a strategic knockout, said a Harare-based political analyst. Mnangagwa has used the party machinery to neutralize Chiwenga's ambitions, while projecting himself as indispensable to ZANU-PF's survival. The Mutare Conference, which concluded Saturday, effectively threw Chiwenga under the bus, confirming that Mnangagwa's faction remains firmly in charge of ZANU-PF's political future. For more political insights, breaking news, and exclusive reports like, share and subscribe to Zim News Live YTS. Don't forget to tap the notification bell to stay updated on Zimbabwe's fast-evolving political scene.